Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Audi A6 key. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This process is straightforward, but having the right items makes it even easier. We will go step by step to ensure you can quickly get your key fob working perfectly again. Let's get started with opening the key. Now, let's open the key fob. Locate the small release button on the side of your key. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it. The two halves of the key fob casing should separate with a soft click. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver or a fingernail. Note the orientation of the old battery. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Insert your new CR2032 battery into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing up. Press it down firmly to ensure it makes good contact. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until they click securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks. Before you go, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Now, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your Audi A6 to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.